Principle of Management, Part 5. Difference between management and administration. Management is defined as the act of managing people and their work for achieving a common goal by using the organization resources. It creates an environment under which manager and his subordinate can work together for the attainment of a group objective. It is a group of people who use their skill and talent in running the complete system of the organization. It is an activity, a function, a process, a discipline, and much more. Planning, organizing, leading, motivating, controlling, coordination, and decision making are the major activities performed by the management. Management brings together 5 M's of the organizational, that is, mean, material, machine, methods, and money. It is a result-oriented activity which focuses on achieving the desired output. Administration. The administration, on the other hand, is a systematic process of administrating the management of the business organization. An educational institution like schools or college, government office, and or any non-profit organization. The main function of administration is the formation of plan, policies, and procedures, setting up of goals and objectives, enforcing rules and regulation, etc. Administration lays down the fundamental framework of an organization within which the management of the organization functions. It is a broader term as it involves forecasting, planning, organizing, and decision-making function at the highest level of the enterprise. Administration represents the top layer of the management hierarchy of the organization. The major difference between management and administration are given below. Management is a systematic way of managing people and things within the organization. The administration is defined as an act of administrating the whole organization by the group of people. Management is an activity of business and functional level, whereas administration is a high-level activity. While management focuses on policy implementation, policy formulation is performed by administration. Functions of administration include legislations and determination. Conversely, functions of management are executive and governing. Administration takes all the important decisions of the organization, while management makes decisions under the boundaries set by the administration. A group of persons who are employees of the organization is collectively known as management. On the other hand, administration represents the owner of the organization. Management can be seen in the profit-making organization like business enterprises. Conversely, the administration is found in government and military offices, clubs, hospitals, religious organizations, and all the non-profit making enterprises. Management is all about plans and action, but the administration is concerned with framing policy and setting objectives. Management plans an executive role in the organization, unlike administration, whose role is decisive in nature. The manager looks after the management of the organization, where administration is responsible for the administration of the organization. Management focus on managing people and their work. On the other hand, administration focus on making the best possible utilization of the organization resources. So we can conclude, theoretically it can be said that the both are a different term, but practically you will find that the terms are more or less same. You would have noticed that the manager performs both administrative and functional activities. Although the manager who are working on the topmost level are said to be the part of administration, whereas the manager working on the middle or lower level represent management. So we can say that administration is above management. These are the tabular form of difference between management and administration based on the point of definition, authority, organization communication, duties and responsibility applicable work, function, and so on. So, practically, there is no difference between management and administration. Every manager is concerned with both administrative management function and operative management function. However, the manager who is higher up in the hierarchy denotes more time on administration function and lower level denotes more time on directing and controlling worker performance, that is management. So this was all about the difference between the term management and administration. In part 6, we'll cover managerial grade concept. Till then, happy learning. Thank you.